morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another video. Now guys, I'm gonna just go down into this really quick and really spicy and really fast. I don't understand the justice system anymore. It's literally not making no sense for nobody at all. Because let me just clap this real freaking quick, right? How is it that a lady is going to be at her house and una go guard the woman yard and video the woman naked and put it out? And you know what's funny? Y'all would not have done this if this person was not popular on social media. Make we clap the first tier real quick. So because una know say when una put out this, it is going to go viral, it is going to get views, it is going to be talked about and mentioned. That is the exact reason why the video was made. There was no way in hell una should have done that to Rosealee. That was disgusting. That was disgusting and rude and everything that is bad. And I realized that the police oftentimes target social media influencers because they might not be influencing you, but I promise you they are influencing other people. Now let us talk about influence for a minute, because I feel like a lot of you guys misinterpret and misunderstand the meaning of influence. Now you have females out there that have the same body build like Rosealee. Now Rosealee is not a fat lady. She's not an ugly lady. She was made in the image of God, and it is just different than other people's body. She has more skin and more flesh, and she's bigger than I am. But that does not make her less of a human being. And that does not make her influence less of anybody else's. You understand? Now, Rosealee is out here influencing other females that are of darker complexion, that are of bigger build. That baby girl, just like all the Kardashians can be in camera every day, you and I can do it also. Isn't that an influence? Isn't that a positive influence? Regardless of her message that she brings out on a daily basis, isn't that a form of influence? She's influencing other females like her. That baby girl, if I can do this, you can do it too. It's not about what you look like. It is about the confidence that you have on the inside that you can bring on the outside. Rosealee has a beautiful personality. I have never argued with Rosealee. I don't intend to argue with Rosealee because I put on them something there. And Rosealee is my friend on TikTok, yes, but we don't talk on the phone on a daily basis. We've never spoken on the phone. So this is not me defending somebody that I know personally and she's my big friend. That's not what it is. At the end of the day, right is right and wrong is fucking wrong. And on a wrong for one to do. You guys are wrong because on do some things sometimes that don't make no sense. Sometimes I really sit and I wonder, why are these police, like, somebody police them, I don't think gonna have no training, you know? Because it was said that the officers went to her house, and this is why I am directing my video to the police. I'm not going to say it was anybody else, because in the video that I saw, the man was questioning Rosealee husband or Rosealee man like he's a police officer. That is what they introduced themselves as, police officers. And I personally feel like the way all the whole situation was dealt with was very wrong. And if some police do this, the whole of them need to be taken off duty immediately. Reason being is because since police officers start got people house masked up. Since police officers go to people's homes fully masked. Since police officers go to people's homes and they don't introduce themselves, they don't want to, and the truth is it happens. Because I can remember vividly the other day I was stopped by an officer, and the officer Jesus Christ, the officer come like him never did want to give me his name. Yes, the officer come like him never did want to give me his name. I make we know say I saw him. What wrong we do now? Seriously, no I could go down in the meat of the matter now. Because yes, she is an influencer, and yes, she influences people. And one more thing that I need to point out is this. I do not understand for a minute. I really don't understand for a minute, guys, right? Right, I don't understand for a minute. I am driving and I'm using the phone, but the phone is put down. So yeah. Anyways, may I say Why would you want to go to somebody's house and video them naked and put it up? Let me pull over for a really quick minute. Yeah. Why would you want to go to somebody's house and video the person naked? Make it make sense, because I'm very confused. Why would you want to go to somebody's house and video the person naked? It doesn't matter her situation or the condition of her house. Because here's the thing that some of us keep forgetting. Here's something where we keep forgetting. You see, as a mother with children, and every time your house I go speak as spank, there are gonna be days where your house I go dirty and you have to get up and say, yo, I have to clean. I need a deep clean, I need a scour clean. Because children are very hard to deal with. I don't know how young Rosealee children are, and it's not my business. But at the end of the day, do not pick the wrong thing out of the whole thing. You guys are worried about how her house looks. One of the few are worried about the man could have gone to go kill the people them. Them could have gone to go kill off the people them. You understand where I come from? Because there's nowhere in hell. It reached to the point now where influencers are not safe in their own home. They're not safe in their own home. If we not come in a people's house and go video them naked as the day them ban and put it out on social media for clicks and views and laughs, that is total fuckery and that is very wrong. And me not understand how as human beings find them something funny. Me see some big Oliver woman in a comment section, a kick rose big and ugly, rose this, rose that. Wow, how dare you? Come on, man. Which part only look humanity there? What is wrong with you know? At this we go on to, guys. I understand if Rosealee did sexy up herself in her little lingerie, and I said no one little video to one little man and the little man come expose her. No problem there. No problem there. Nobody would give one end. Nobody would business. Nobody would care. It would be all laughs and giggles because at the end of the day, she videoed herself. She 100% knows that she has said it to somebody. She 100% knows that that person they might in a most, but that person they might cannot be trusted. But she still video herself and send it out to the man. And the man come and the man show everybody. So when you see somebody expose somebody like that, I can understand, I can see with it, I can say fine. I just like a relationship gone by drama this and it's gonna blow over. But going in somebody's comfort of their home, it doesn't matter what the situation at home is. Going in somebody's private home, videoing them naked and then posting it all over social media is 100% wrong, and that should not be okay. That should not be allowed. That should not be a thing. That is disrespectful and degrading and rude, because the lady have her picnic them we are gonna grow up and use social media, and somehow you not have no art, you not have the picture them and the video them all over the place. Yesterday I was on the road, remember me at work, guys, me up on the road and me at work. Remember put up my business number. I put up my business number because I'm saying okay, all right, cool. But up on the road, I try to make $1 because I have my children to feed. I can't sit on one place. So I up on the road, I drive up and I'm going to sell. Put up my number, say anybody wants something for buy, give me a phone call. When the phone ring and me pick up the phone, I realize that the person ring me and hang up because the person desperately wanted my attention. When me go so boom now, rackle up myself, up me the matches. Now Rosealee, the person send me, what is wrong with you females? Want to feel like me that go click and and company me that come laugh and bring down the woman. We don't know, me not doing that. That is 100% wrong. I'm stand up behind Rosealee, and Rosealee is not my favorite person. She's not my least. When I say she's not my favorite person, I don't mean it in a negative way. She's a lovely person to watch. She's very funny. She's very, very funny. And no matter who Rosealee cuss with, and no matter who cuss with Rosealee, you have to remember at the end of the day, say, little cuss for the media, it's entertaining, but you not take it too far. You guys are taking it too far. It reaches the point now where people that are on the media wants to come off. But because the media is a source of, you know what the media can do for you. The media can literally change your lives. If you stop the foolishness, the media can change your lives. Come on, man, there are brandies out there to get there. Oh my God. Come on, man, make it woman go viral for better things, man. You understand me now? So you can't do no video about her and cuss her. I don't know why cuss her and do nothing because you're entitled to your own feelings and your own opinion. But posting the ladies' nakedness is not okay. It's not okay. It's not alright. It don't sit well with a lot of people. And I really hope that if she does get the help from Nicki Minaj, I really hope Nicki Minaj push it to the fullest and make them scrub the internet and the picture and the videos. Because it's not okay. The lady have her opinion them and I must stop them. It's about time to stop them foolishness here. Anyways, guys, I'm going back now up on the road because I have things to deal with. You understand? I can't sit down and say, we're going to do the whole day and talk social media because I have things to do. And I love you guys. Big up to my supporters that always support me same way. Big up on yourself and just know say I love you and I'm out.